Did you know that about 30% of adults over 65 suffer from muscle loss that affects their leg strength and balance? This can make everyday activities like walking or climbing stairs harder, and even increase the risk of falls. But the great news is, you don't have to accept this as inevitable. In today's video, we're counting down 12 powerful foods scientifically proven to help seniors regain leg strength. These foods work naturally to rebuild muscles, improve circulation, and reduce cramps. And trust me, the number one food on this list will surprise you. So, stick around, and let's get your legs stronger, step by step. 12. Tomatoes. You might be surprised that something as simple as a tomato could help your legs feel stronger, but it's true, and it's backed by science. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a natural antioxidant responsible for their bright red color. But lycopene does much more than just make your salad look colorful, it actively fights inflammation inside your body. As we age, chronic low-grade inflammation becomes more common, and it's one of the silent contributors to muscle weakness, joint pain, and reduced mobility, especially in the legs. Lycopene helps counter this by neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have shown that diets rich in lycopene are associated with lower levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a key marker of inflammation linked to muscle fatigue and weakness in seniors. What's more, the potassium in tomatoes helps regulate muscle contractions and prevent cramping, while vitamin C supports collagen production in joints and connective tissues. To get the most benefit, eat your tomatoes cooked, such as in tomato soup or a simple tomato sauce. Cooking increases the bioavailability of lycopene, making it easier for your body to absorb. 11. Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained, making it richer in both protein and creamy texture. Just 1 cup can pack up to 20 grams of high-quality protein, including both casein and whey, 2 proteins essential for maintaining and rebuilding muscle mass, especially as we age. Whey protein is fast-absorbing, meaning it goes straight to work to support muscle recovery after physical activity. Casein, on the other hand, is slow digesting, feeding your muscles over several hours, even while you rest. This combination helps repair tiny muscle tears, improve recovery, and reduce the muscle loss that naturally occurs with age, a condition known as sarcopenia. But there's another hidden benefit: probiotics. These healthy bacteria in Greek yogurt help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which has a major impact on how well your body absorbs nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, all crucial for muscle contraction and bone strength. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that seniors who consumed high-protein dairy like Greek yogurt had faster muscle recovery, improved mobility, and better balance. To maximize benefits, enjoy a bowl of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with a handful of berries or chia seeds. It's a perfect snack post-exercise or even before bed to fuel overnight muscle repair. 10. Eggs. When it comes to restoring muscle strength, especially in your legs, eggs are one of nature's most perfect foods. Why? Because they contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. These amino acids are the building blocks your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, particularly after periods of inactivity or muscle loss that often come with aging. 1 large egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, along with important nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and B12, which play a direct role in muscle function and energy production. Vitamin D helps maintain healthy bones and supports calcium absorption, while B12 aids in nerve health, which is essential for proper muscle coordination and leg movement. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who consumed whole eggs after resistance exercise had enhanced muscle protein synthesis compared to those who ate just the egg whites. This shows that the yolk, often unfairly feared for cholesterol, actually contains powerful nutrients like leucine, a key amino acid for triggering muscle growth. Eggs are also incredibly versatile. You can boil them, scramble them in olive oil, make an omelet with spinach, or even add them to a salad. For best results, aim to eat them within an hour or two after light exercise or walking, when your muscles are primed to absorb protein. Number 9. Pumpkin seeds. Small in size but mighty in impact, pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are one of the most underrated superfoods for seniors aiming to regain leg strength and muscle control. Just a handful of these crunchy seeds is packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve communication, and energy production. Why is magnesium so important for your legs? It helps regulate muscle contractions, preventing spasms, twitches, and even painful cramps. It also aids in the relaxation phase of muscle movement, which is just as critical as contraction. Low magnesium levels have been directly linked to muscle weakness, fatigue, and poor coordination, common issues in older adults. According to a study published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity, seniors with higher magnesium intake showed greater muscle strength and faster walking speed, compared to those with low intake. And pumpkin seeds don't just stop at magnesium, they also deliver zinc, iron, protein, and healthy fats, all of which support muscle repair, immune function, and overall vitality. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs, making it an easy and effective addition to your routine. Snack on them raw, sprinkle them over salads, add them to smoothies, or mix into oatmeal or yogurt. They're portable, affordable, and don't require refrigeration, perfect for seniors on the go or those wanting a simple way to support their leg muscles naturally. Number 8. Spinach. This leafy green is rich in natural dietary nitrates, compounds that are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide improves blood flow, enhances muscle efficiency, and supports oxygen delivery to muscle tissue, all vital for restoring tired, weak legs. A fascinating study published in Cell Metabolism found that participants who consumed nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach had improved mitochondrial efficiency in their muscle cells. In simple terms, their muscles were able to produce energy more effectively, leading to less fatigue and better strength output, especially important for seniors who often struggle with reduced stamina. Spinach is also loaded with magnesium, iron, and vitamin K, nutrients that play direct roles in muscle contraction, red blood cell production, and bone health. Iron helps transport oxygen to your leg muscles, reducing the risk of that heavy, sluggish feeling when walking or standing. Meanwhile, magnesium helps with muscle relaxation, and vitamin K supports healthy bones and joints. To get the full benefits, enjoy spinach raw in salads, lightly sautéed with olive oil, or blended into a smoothie. It pairs well with eggs, Greek yogurt, or even in an omelet for a double muscle boost. Number 7. Bananas. If your legs often feel tired, cramp up, or lack energy, the solution might be as simple as eating a banana. This humble fruit is one of the best natural sources of potassium, a key electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions, nerve signals, and fluid balance, all of which are crucial for leg strength and preventing muscle fatigue. As we age, our bodies can become more prone to electrolyte imbalances, especially if we're on diuretics, certain heart medications, or not drinking enough water. Low potassium is a common culprit behind leg cramps, spasms, and overall muscle weakness. Bananas provide a quick and tasty way to replenish those levels naturally. In addition to potassium, bananas contain vitamin B6 and natural sugars like glucose and fructose that offer an immediate energy boost, perfect before or after light physical activity. A study published in PLOS One found that bananas were just as effective as sports drinks at supporting endurance and reducing muscle inflammation in athletes. For seniors, this means you get quick energy without the sugar crash or artificial ingredients. They're also easy on the digestive system, require no preparation, and are portable, making them ideal for a mid-morning snack or before a walk. Pairing a banana with a spoonful of peanut butter or a handful of pumpkin seeds gives you a balanced snack with protein, fat, and carbs to fuel and repair muscles. Number 6. Quinoa. Often called an ancient grain, quinoa is technically a seed, and it's one of the few plant-based foods that provides all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, critical for rebuilding muscle tissue, especially in the legs. Each cup of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of high-quality protein, plus important nutrients like iron, magnesium, and manganese, which all support energy production and muscle function. Iron helps deliver oxygen to your leg muscles, reducing fatigue. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly, and manganese supports collagen formation and joint strength. A study published in the Journal of Food Science found that quinoa, due to its rich amino acid profile and anti-inflammatory properties, can help improve muscle recovery after exertion, making it especially helpful for seniors who may tire easily after walking or light exercise. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that can lead to weakness or dizziness. It's incredibly versatile. Use it in place of rice, toss it into salads, stuff it into vegetables, or even serve it warm for breakfast like oatmeal. You can even cook a batch ahead of time and store it in the fridge for easy meals throughout the week. Number 5. Salmon. When it comes to rebuilding and preserving leg strength, salmon is one of the most effective foods you can eat. This delicious, fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects and ability to support muscle repair and function, especially important for seniors. As we age, chronic low-grade inflammation can damage muscle fibers and slow down recovery from even mild activity. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, enhance blood flow to muscle tissues, and even stimulate muscle protein synthesis, according to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. In fact, older adults who supplemented with omega-3s experienced significant improvements in muscle strength and size, especially in their legs and lower body. But salmon offers more than just omega-3s. It's also packed with high-quality protein, about 22 to 25 grams per 3-ounce serving, as well as vitamin D, B12, and selenium, which support energy production, nerve function, and healthy bones. These nutrients work together to keep your leg muscles firing properly, your joints stable, and your endurance strong. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon is easy to prepare and incredibly satisfying. For optimal benefits, aim to eat it 2 to 3 times per week, or add wild-caught canned salmon to salads or wraps for a quick and nutritious boost. Number 4. Beets. Don't underestimate the power of beets. These vibrant root vegetables are one of the most science-backed foods for improving muscle endurance and leg strength, especially in older adults. Beets are naturally high in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery directly to your working muscles. Why does this matter? With better circulation, your leg muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, allowing them to perform longer and recover faster. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that older adults who consumed beet juice experienced a 13% increase in walking speed and endurance, thanks to enhanced oxygen efficiency in their leg muscles. Beets also contain potassium, folate, and antioxidants that reduce muscle inflammation and support nerve health. Potassium keeps your leg muscles from cramping, while folate helps repair tissues. Beets even support mitochondrial health, the powerhouses of your muscle cells, giving your legs the stamina they need to stay strong throughout the day. You can enjoy beets roasted, boiled, or raw in salads, or even drink beetroot juice for a more concentrated dose of performance-enhancing nitrates. Just 1 cup of cooked beets or a small glass of beet juice a day can yield noticeable improvements in how your legs feel and function. Number 3. Cottage cheese. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to help your legs recover and rebuild muscle overnight, cottage cheese is a top choice. This creamy dairy product is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles for hours, perfect while you sleep. Unlike whey protein, which digests quickly, casein slowly releases nutrients, keeping your muscles nourished throughout the night. This is crucial for seniors because muscle loss accelerates during periods of inactivity, and nighttime is the longest stretch of inactivity we face daily. Cottage cheese helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports muscle synthesis, especially in the legs, where strength and mobility are critical. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed casein before bedtime had improved muscle protein synthesis and better muscle mass maintenance compared to those who didn't. This means cottage cheese isn't just a snack, it's a powerful tool to maintain and even regain leg strength. Cottage cheese is also rich in calcium, which supports bone health and muscle function, as well as vitamin B12, essential for nerve health and energy production. It's low in fat and carbs, making it a light but nutrient-dense nighttime snack. Try enjoying a half cup of cottage cheese before bed, add a few berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. This easy habit can help your legs recover faster, reduce muscle soreness, and keep you moving strong. Number 2. Bone broth. This savory, nutrient-rich liquid is packed with collagen, gelatin, and essential electrolytes like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which play critical roles in muscle function, joint health, and hydration. Collagen is the primary structural protein in your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to weaker connective tissues and joint pain, which can make standing, walking, or climbing stairs more difficult. Drinking bone broth regularly supplies your body with the building blocks to repair and rebuild collagen, helping to strengthen the tendons and ligaments that support your legs. Bone broth's electrolytes are equally important. Calcium, magnesium, and potassium help regulate muscle contractions and nerve signaling, meaning they can reduce leg cramps and improve coordination. These minerals also assist in hydration, which is vital for muscle performance and recovery. Studies show that collagen supplementation combined with resistance exercise helps improve muscle mass and strength in older adults. Bone broth is an easy, natural way to add collagen and vital minerals to your diet without supplements. You can sip warm bone broth on its own or use it as a base for soups and stews. Aim for a cup daily, especially on days when you're more active, to support your leg muscles and joints. 1. Watermelon. If you want to boost your leg strength and recover faster after activity, watermelon is a delicious and hydrating superfruit to add to your diet. What makes watermelon so special is its high content of L-citrulline, an amino acid that your body converts into L-arginine, which then helps produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a key role in increasing blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, and speeding up recovery. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that drinking watermelon juice before exercise helped reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time, thanks to its natural L-citrulline content. This means your legs can bounce back faster from walking, climbing, or even gentle workouts, reducing fatigue and stiffness. Watermelon is also over 90% water, making it excellent for hydration, which is critical for muscle function and preventing cramps, especially in seniors. Staying hydrated helps maintain electrolyte balance and keeps your muscles contracting smoothly. Beyond L-citrulline and hydration, watermelon contains important antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene, which reduce inflammation and protect muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. It's easy to enjoy watermelon fresh, blended into smoothies, or as a refreshing snack. For best results, eat it regularly, especially on days when you're more active or after exercise. Thanks for watching. Incorporating these 12 powerful foods into your daily routine can help you regain leg strength faster than you might expect, backed by real science. Remember, consistent nutrition combined with light exercise can transform your mobility and quality of life. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others who want stronger, healthier legs. Stay active, eat well, and see you in the next video.